Kindness, it's a virtue praised in every philosophy, religion, and culture. Yet, can it be a double-edged sword? Today, we explore how kindness, when misunderstood or misapplied, can lead to unintended consequences and even ruin your life. This isn't a call to abandon kindness, but to understand it better through the lens of Stoicism. Let's dive into it. Being kind to everyone can drain you. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. While kindness is a noble act, it's essential to recognize that your energy and time are finite. Imagine this, you are constantly helping coworkers, family, and friends, but at what cost? Your own well-being suffers. Overextending kindness can leave you physically and emotionally drained, reducing your ability to help anyone effectively, including yourself. Stoicism teaches us to be deliberate in our actions. It's okay to say no. By conserving your energy, you ensure that the kindness you do offer is meaningful and sustainable. People will exploit your kindness. Seneca wisely said, "Associate with those who will make a better man of you." Kindness can sometimes attract those who seek to take advantage of it. While helping others can be rewarding, some people will see your kindness as an opportunity to exploit your generosity. Picture this, you're the go-to person for favors. Soon, you'll notice a pattern. The same individuals always asking for help, but never reciprocating. This imbalance can breed resentment and even damage relationships. The Stoic approach? Be discerning in your kindness. Ensure that it aligns with your values and doesn't compromise your integrity or self-respect. You risk losing yourself in pleasing others, Epictetus taught. Don't explain your philosophy, embody it. In trying to be kind to everyone, you may suppress your true self to avoid conflict or disapproval. Consider this scenario. You're always agreeing with others, avoiding disagreements to maintain peace. Over time, you lose sight of your values, becoming a shadow of who you truly are. Stoicism encourages authenticity. True kindness isn't about being a people pleaser. It's about living in harmony with your principles. Speak your truth, even if it's uncomfortable. Kindness without boundaries breeds resentment. Kindness without boundaries often leads to internal conflict. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." Part of being good is understanding your limits. Imagine this, you agree to help a friend despite feeling exhausted. While you fulfill your promise, you're silently resentful. This unspoken frustration can damage your relationship and your mental health. Setting boundaries doesn't make you unkind. It ensures that your acts of kindness come from a genuine place rather than obligation or guilt. Overemphasis on kindness can blind you to reality. Seneca said, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." Similarly, wisdom is what happens when kindness meets discernment. Overemphasizing kindness can cloud your judgment. Consider this, you're quick to forgive someone who repeatedly lies to you. Your desire to see the good in others blinds you to their harmful patterns. This naive kindness can lead to betrayal or harm. Stoicism teaches us to balance kindness with prudence. Trust must be earned, and forgiveness should not equate to enabling harmful behavior. Kindness is a virtue, but like all virtues, it must be practiced with wisdom and balance. By setting boundaries, being authentic, and discerning in your kindness, you can avoid the pitfalls that ruin lives. Remember the words of Marcus Aurelius, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." And with that, choose to be kind to yourself and others in a way that nurtures, not drains your spirit.